is Devin, the first AI software engineer. Coming for my job? Knock knock. Who's there? Unemployment. Unemployment who? Well, they also call me Devin. That's right, folks. The AI takeover is underway and no job is safe. Whether you're a barista, brain surgeon, or now like it seems a software engineer, the machines are coming for your paycheck. My apologies to the fresh graduates and people doling out great cash for boot camps. Looks like we all should just be studying cybersecurity to fight Skynet in the future. Just like how our forefathers were replaced by tractors, we're about to get plowed under by artificial intelligence. Just imagine getting replaced by a guy called Devin. Before I go any further, thank you for tuning into the AI Trail. We're here to break down the coolest tech, mind-bending breakthroughs, and all things AI. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all things AI and more. So let's talk about Devin. Who is Devin? Where did he come from? And who or what is it really? Devin isn't a who, but a what. The world's first artificial intelligence designed specifically as a software engineer. This cutting-edge AI system was created by the tech company Cognition Labs to revolutionize software development and replace the need for software engineers. You see, traditionally, writing code, building websites, and developing software has been a painstaking process carried out by teams of human programmers and engineers. But Devin can do all of that just by receiving a simple prompt or brief description of what needs to be built. For example, you could tell Devin, create a mobile app for booking restaurant reservations with these features. And it would use its advanced AI capabilities to plan out the architecture, write all the code across multiple programming languages, and essentially build that app from scratch, all at a speed and scale that blows human engineers out of the water, or out of their jobs. So, just a little bit of background on Cognition Labs. Cognition Labs is backed by none other than Peter Thiel. For those who don't know, Peter Thiel is a legendary Silicon Valley figure. He co-founded PayPal, was an early investor in Facebook, and now runs one of the biggest tech investment firms around, Founders Fund. The fact that Cognition AI secured funding from Thiel and Founders Fund is a major vote of confidence. It's also intriguing that Cognition AI is based in New York, rather than the usual Silicon Valley. This will come to many people's surprise, but Cognition AI was founded just 5 months ago in November 2023 by 3 ambitious minds: Scott Wu, CEO, who is nothing less than a child prodigy and 3-time gold medalist. When it comes to coding competitions, Stephen Howe, CTO, and Walden Yan, Chief Product Officer. It's also interesting to note how, if you see the demo for Devin, you will see Scott Wu being labeled as human software engineer. Looks like Wu has quite literally coded himself into AI existence. So is Scott, Devin or Devin, Scott? Despite its nascent origins, this self-described AI lab focused on reasoning has boldly stated that Devin and code is just the beginning of their ambitious plans. Devin you do, or Devin you don't. Let's get into what Devin can really deliver, or is it like another hyped-up cash-grabbing project making overreaching claims? The company claims Devin operates just like a human programmer. It has its own coding environment with an editor, command line, and web browser, and can independently write, test, and refine code across a huge variety of languages and technologies. While current AI assistants struggle with longer, more complex tasks, Devin has been shown to tackle hundreds or even thousands of coding jobs without losing focus. Cognition AI claims their AI can learn new technologies on the fly, contribute to major code bases, and even create and fine-tune its own AI model. According to more demos, Devin has apparently aced coding interviews and freelance jobs from tech companies and platforms like Upwork. It's like having a software engineering savant working for you at all hours without breaks or overtime pay. Another fascinating aspect is Devin's capability to learn and relearn. It can plan ahead, make a ton of coding decisions along the way, and learn and improve itself over time based on mistakes or feedback. It's considered state-of-the-art for automatically evaluating and executing complex software engineering tasks. But Devin isn't designed to just work alone. It's meant to team up with human programmers in a real-time, collaborative way. As Devin codes, it provides constant updates to its human partners and accepts their feedback and design input. The goal isn't to replace people, but to enhance their abilities and make engineering teams way more efficient overall. So in a nutshell, DEVIN is hugely capable at autonomous coding, but it's not meant to be a solo act. It works side by side with humans, combining its advanced planning and learning capabilities with the engineer's oversight to hopefully get way more done together. Regardless of whether you find that exciting or concerning, DEVIN represents a potential major shift in how software could be developed going forward. So, is it over for software engineers? For beginner software engineers, it's understandable to be worried that AI could eventually take your job. However, as you gain more experience, you'll realize we are extremely far away from having an AI that can truly replace an expert human software engineer. I'd estimate we're probably only about 1% of the way there in terms of AI capabilities. Let me give an example to illustrate the difference between what a beginner can do versus a seasoned engineer with 10+ years of experience. For a beginner, creating a simple button that prints "Hello World" when clicked is a decent challenge as you're just learning programming basics. Don't know how to? Ask DEVIN or ChatGPT and he'd probably spit out a result in 2 seconds. Well, cool. But for an expert engineer at a large enterprise company, that simple task becomes exponentially more complex. They have to integrate with a massive existing code base, managing server traffic across the globe. Just understanding and getting access to change that server routing code could take weeks of collaboration with other teams. Then there's provisioning new servers, load testing, updating algorithms as traffic scales, and much more. The point is, while an AI tool can spit out code for that basic button in seconds, an expert handles way more real-world constraints, technical debt, scalability issues, and organizational complexities that require deep experience. Here one needs to understand mere coding is different than software engineering. Software engineers are involved with all aspects of software creation, including concept, design, and coding. So yes, at the alarming speed that AI is advancing, coding will surely be an irrelevant skill in 5 years, but software engineering, unlikely. Because if Cognition is still looking for a software engineer, DEVIN still is definitely not there yet. So what do you think? Is DEVIN really going to replace software engineers? If you love learning, relearning all things AI, and exploring the mind-blowing future of artificial intelligence alongside me, make sure you smash that subscribe button for the AI trail. We will be dropping new videos every week to keep you looped in on all the latest AI developments and crazy breakthroughs. Stay curious, stay questioning. See you in the next one.